Hi all, welcome to Programmers Divine. This is Little Talk section. We are going to see about lists in R programming. Do you know? So a list in R can contain many different data types inside it. So what is a list? A list is a collection of data which is ordered and changeable. So which will be in an ordered position and it can be changed. So to create a list, we need to use the list function. The example is list of strings. So this is list is a list. So we are creating if the list contains apple, banana and cherry. When we are printing the list, this list, we can see the storage contains apple, banana and cherry. Access list. So whenever we have a set of items in a list, we want to get some items from the list based on some sizes or some numbers. So for that we can use the access list. So for that we can use the index numbers inside the brackets. The first item has index 1 and the second item has index 2 and so on. So we have a list here. This list contains items like apple, banana and cherry. I want to see what is the one present in the position 1. The position 1 it contains apple, so it will print the position 1 as apple. This list of 1 will be apple. Change item value. So whenever we have when we have accessing item from a list, when we can able to change it also. So based on the index numbers we can change it. For example, this is list of 1 contains apple, so I just wanted to change this is list of 1 as black currant. So now when I print this list, we can see the items as black currant, banana and cherry. To know the number of items present in the list, we can use the length function. So length of this is list will show as 3. So this is the length of the items. So to check if an item exists in the list, we can use the percentage in percentage operator. So it is like the list should comes in the right hand side before after the percentage in percentage, and the item which we want to test will be displayed in the first place, like apple in percentage in this list is showing true. So how to add a item in the list? So we can use the append function. So now this list contains apple, banana and cherry. I wanted to add orange. So I am append this list comma orange, and this orange is appended to the end of the list, and it contains now the list contains 4 items. And it continues to add an item to the end of the list. You can use the append function. So when you want to add an item to the right of a specified index, like before 1, before 2, before 3, yes, you can easily do that one. For that we need after equal to index number in the append function. For example, usually the append will contain append this list comma the new thing we are going to add. Now we are adding a new parameter in that after is equal to 2. So it will add this orange in the third position after the second number. First number contains apple, second number contains banana, third number contains cherry. Now we are going to add after 2 after banana. So it is added after the banana, and the new list is apple comma banana comma orange comma cherry. As we can able to add items, we can able to remove the items from the list also. So for removing the items, we can just creates a new updated list without a item present there. For example, this list contains apple, banana and cherry. So I'm creating a new list. In that new list, I am minusing 1. So that minusing 1 will remove the content in the first position. If I am giving -2, then apple and banana will go off and cherry only present in the new list. So now we can assume like we have a n number of items in the list present, and we just wanted to take some range of the indexes, like some I will give some positions from this range to this range. This is first position to n position, the items are present. So I just wanted some items from the second position to fifth position, or some fifth position to eighth position. So I can able to easily grab those items. For that we need to use this list. After this list we can use a parenthesis. In the parenthesis we can give the range between two different indexes, and we should refer using a colon before that. This is 2 comma 2 colon 5 is listed here. So you can see the first item is apple, second item is banana, third is cherry, fourth is orange, fifth is kiwi and sixth is melon and seventh is mango. Now I just wanted a list 2 is to 5. So it will start from banana, cherry, orange and kiwi. So this is up to fourth item it will stops. Fifth item it will not take. Okay, that is the way it is working. Loop through a list. So you can loop through the list of items using a for loop. So for loop we have the syntax for x in this list, print x. We can see all the items will be presented and looped in the for loop, and x is the current item which is mentioned. If you want to do some some manipulation on the list, you can use this for loop and you can manipulate instead of the print statement. You can do manipulations whatever things you wanted to do. We have one question. So can we join two lists into one list? Yes, we can. There are several ways to join or concatenate two or more lists in an R programming. So the most common way is to use the C function, which combines two elements together. So we have two lists now. One list is list 1 and another one is list 2. So list 1 contains list of a comma b comma c, and list 2 contains 1 comma 2 comma 3. So now we are going to create a third list, list 3. In that we are putting C of list 1 comma list 2 and printing the list 3 items. We can see the result as A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. These two things are combined together and showed in a new list. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Defense. Please subscribe my channel.